I'm Saranpam from AIDS department. I'm going to see about information retrieval. Information retrieval is the process of finding relevant information from a collection of data. It is a crucial component of modern search engines, digital libraries, and content management systems. Understanding the Boolean model. Boolean model is a fundamental approach to information retrieval where such queries are constructed using logical operation like and, or, and not, and etc. This allows user to precisely target the information they need by combining keywords and phrases in complex expressions. Implementing Boolean queries in Python. Use Python built-in module to fetch and evaluate Boolean expression in text series, create function, develop a logic apply and or and not get, leverage data structure like dictionaries and sets, optimize performance by indexing and pre-processing, constructing Boolean expressions, key combination, phrase searches, parentheses of grouping, wildcard matching, handling and or and not operator. The and operator narrows down your search, returning only documents. Or operator expands your search, retrieving document that match any of the keywords connected by or. Not operator. The not operator include documents containing the keyword that follows it, allowing you to filter out irrelevant result. Indexing and pre-processing text data. Preprocessing technique like TF-IDF can also be applied to weight terms by their importance, boosting the relevance of key concept while supporting common words with a little dictionary power. This is the flow chart of performing Boolean retrieval in Python. Evaluating Boolean retrieval performance, it is using precision and recall, F1 force, user evaluation, query log analysis. Limitation and challenges of Boolean model: binary relevance, query formulation, vocabulary mismatch, difficulty ranking. Conclusion: while the Boolean model remains a fundamental technique in information retrieval, its limitation highlight need for more advanced approaches. Now I am going to see about implementation. Import numpy and pandas. Create a class for Boolean retrieval. Initialize the empty index dictionary and a dictionary. Index a document by splitting its text into terms over converting them to lowercase and adding them to the index dictionary, and create another class create document matrix. Create document matrix where rows represent document and columns. Initialize the document matrix zeros. Populate the matrix based on the presence in the terms document, and create another class print document matrix table. Print the document matrix using pandas data frame. Create another class for print all terms. Boolean search. Perform Boolean search. Index a document based on the query. Create instant Boolean retrieval and index each document. Creating document matrix. Print document matrix. Print all terms. Ask Boolean model. Perform Boolean search and print result. So this is the Python code for information retrieval. So thank you.